Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you create a Steam account. So to create a Steam account on phone, at first just open a browser and just search for Steam sign up. Now here you can see the first one is create your account. Click on it. Now here you can see this option, your email address. Just give your email address here. After giving your email address, just confirm it, and after that just select your country and just check on this mark, and here you can see the captcha. Just check on this captcha and just click on continue, and by clicking continue you can just create your Steam account. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.